A computer would deserve to be called intelligent if it could deceive a human into believing that it was human, said Alan Turing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, means computer programs that do tasks that mimic intelligent humans. You can think of AI like a smart buddy who can learn new things, make decisions, and solve problems without help. AI can help us complete important stuff, like predicting rough weather, winning at maze games, writing lovely essays, and even detecting nasty diseases. Why bother? Knowing about AI is important because it can help us do complicated things faster and better, and that too, repetitively. For instance, imagine a robot that helps clean your room in a jiffy, or a driverless car that takes you to school safely without your dad or mom sweating out in traffic. Why now? 3 reasons for recent AI boom. Better computers. In the last few years, computers became incredibly more powerful, making it easier to train AI. Better data. With internet boom, there is more labeled data than ever before for AI to learn. Better algorithms. Recent research made it possible to build better AI systems.